Omugavana bwe county ya Kakamega Fernandez Barasa nigo aseritkoria kabere aikabosio bwe kiombe gyokorwania obokurumine chimbwa Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC eryokwiraniria amaboyi igoro yobotumeki bw'echiringi chibilioni 15 ekyo kyatumekire ase o chinguru chomulero asensemo ya Electricana nigo Barasa bagakwegerera nabo igo kwegerera emiremo yaye askeri atebuna nare tayare koiraneri mabori andonsi arachi kuborirwa nekiombe ekyo.
As we speak right now, we are now getting electricity from wind, from Electricana, because of the transmission line which I was the key person implementing the line. So the issues have come to confirm here is I believe accountability as a public officer, and always anytime I'm required. Right now I'm a governor, anytime I'm required by any office to clarify on issues, I'll always honor that invitation. So there isn't anything to worry about. That's what I'm saying. I'm very excited and very happy to be associated with this project because I delivered the project as a CEO of Ketraco, and it is a project which has put Kenya on the global map. So far, there are many officers who are being invited here. So it's not a Barasa Fernandez affair.